Good morning, everyone. It's day 5 of living out of the Tesla Model 3. I had a great night, a little bit of a scare, and we'll talk about that later in the video. It was pretty flippin' freaky. Ugh. Okay, anyways, what are we doing today? Where even are we? So we are in a little town called Astoria. It's in Oregon. It's actually at the very tip of Oregon. There's not much to do here. The reason why I slept on this side of Astoria is because I wanted to cross the Astoria-Megler Bridge during the day. I wanted to see it, and I was hoping that we'd be able to catch the sunrise and see it, but yeah, no such luck, guys. No such luck. So from here, we're going to be driving to my friend's house in Olympia, Washington. We've traveled 5 days completely alone. Now we're gonna meet up with a friend, and he goes crazy, so there's gonna be some interesting stuff coming your way. If you're not too into the hiking, the camping, the scenic nature stuff, we got a complete 180 of that for the next week or so. All right, you ready? Let's go.
You're under the pressure. I lost my temper. I said something foolish. Did I go and ruin this? When it started to feel so real, could feel it running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving for the rest of my days.
Check out how beautiful it is. Wow, look at the depth of the clouds too. That looks so nice, especially this area over here. Wicked cool. This spot that I'm at right now is just off where you exit from the bridge. So you see the end is right here. You're gonna make a right, and then boom, you're placed right here. And you have this awesome view. Now I'm pretty far away from like the main part that I wanted to see, so what we're going to be doing is going back, finding some place to park over there, and launch the drone.
Those memories are better than gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving for the rest of my days.
I'm at the very edge of Oregon going into Washington, and I can't make it to a charger. If you're ever at the very tip, you gotta drive across this bridge. It is the longest bridge in its class. Look at that thing to get you into Washington. I drove across it and I drove back because look at this superchargers. I'm currently at 141 miles, meaning 55% charge, and I can't make it to that charger up there. And even if I went this way, I would be very low. That gray one, it is a 8 kilowatt slow charger, so really slow. So the only thing to do is to go to the I-5 and charge at the supercharger over here, and I think it's called Longview. So we'll check that out more once we get there, but I want to see what I arrive at. The Tesla is saying 35%, and that's based off my previous driving, so let's see how accurate it is. We're starting with 141 miles, which means 141 minus 53. I'm not going to do quick maths because I just woke up, so I'll put that on the screen. It'll take 1 hour and 16 minutes to get there. Let's see how long it actually takes, how many miles we use, and what percentage we get there with. Guys, so the 16-ounce soup, it said it was $9.99, but I only got charged $6.99. Heck yeah! I got the clam chowder because we're on the coast, and I was like, okay, we gotta try something coastal. I did fish and chips last night. I still have leftovers, so I'll enjoy those later. So far, instead of being $30 for a whole meal, it's $15 per meal.
And of course, we need to take some cool photos. You can't go places without taking cool photos of your car, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just plugged in. It is currently 11:16. So we just drove for 53 miles, 1 hour, 16 minutes. We got 225 watt hours per mile. We just plugged in, and to go to 100%, we have 40 minutes to go. But to go to just 80, it's only 25 minutes. We're getting a current charge of 100 kilowatts, 400 miles per hour, and I think we're splitting power with this Tesla right here. Hello Tesla! Bro, this Cybertruck is towing a whole spaceship. Look at that! We got tons of food places both in and outside of this immediate area, and we have a Target right here, so bathrooms.
So we finished our supercharging and now off to my friend's house where I'm gonna play a little bit of Forza in my favorite Lamborghini. Oh, love Lamborghinis. Best car, absolutely best car. Can't wait to get mine.
All right, we're moving out.
So did a little simulator, hung out for a bit, and then we're going to do something crazy. So I saw this on another YouTuber, and basically what I'm going to do is take the watt hour per mile average of this entire trip and put it all on black at the casino, and let's see if we win or if we lose. Hopefully we'll win.
At the casino, we're gonna put it on red or black. And once we get to the casino, I'm going to do whatever my Instagram told me. So yes, if you want to vote on some of the crazy things I do, make sure you follow me on Instagram as teslafpv, and I'll show you these results right now. Who won? I'll just click red. Oh, everyone's putting it on black. You see that? Check that out. Thank you, legit everyone. I really appreciate it. That's awesome. You can win a real truck, not that electric. Alright guys, so you can't say anything. We're going to the trips in the Tesla, okay? Seattle trip, rounding it to, we have 249 watt hours per mile, but we're gonna do a solid 250. So that means 250 all on black, and you guys chose this. So don't let me lose.
How are you?
Alright, click 100.
Click black.
Black.
Twice.
Oh,
And then go 25.
200 in black, and then 250 on black.
Wait, bro.
Oh, my heart's pounding. Oh, shoot. Oh my god. No! It was literally black twice in a row. And then I went red. My boy going crazy. Dude, my man Ryan out here balling. Damn, look at that. Coin.
Easy.
Off of only $100. Trying this one next. See how we do it. Ah! I did something. 50 bucks. Okay, we got something back.
Yeah, and that was pretty much it. So you know how you won like 1,200? Well, we played a bunch of games, and slots are rigged. I wouldn't put slots in with my own money. I only put the 250 for my watt hours per mile. He wanted to keep going. I told him to walk away, but we had a lot of fun, tried a lot of different games, and pretty much lost everything. But I guess, you know, that's the risk you run. Wasn't my money, so I'm good. I'm just out 250, but it was fun. You know, could have doubled that, could have gotten, like, you know, walked away with 500, but no such luck on this trip. Just wait until we go to the next trip. We find another casino, we try to bet our watt hours per mile and see what happens. But anyways, after that, we got some super good food because he's like a member or something with the casino. They like him, so they gave him like a voucher for free food. Oh, the food, it was pretty good.
Flippin' wicked, guys. All right, wing me up. Man can't handle spice, so you gotta rub it all off on the plate. Smothers it in milk ranch. That's pretty much it, guys. So we lost at the casino. We had some good food. Now I can use my friend's shower. I'm still gonna be sleeping in the back of the Tesla because that's just how we do it. It's super comfortable back there. I just want to let you know that I'm super grateful for everyone that's watched this series. It's been like a super eye-opener, and I can't wait to go on more trips. I can't wait to share what I do with you guys. If you guys have any places that you think I should go, whether it be on the West Coast, Central, USA, or that side of the USA, let me know. I'm so down to do it. I really hope this adventure has been entertaining, and I hope maybe you've got something out of it. If you have, of course, leave me a comment, and I love hearing from you guys. So thank you again for joining me on this journey. I really appreciate it. It's been super fun. Now that we're in Washington, there's still so much more for us to do, and we're going to Canada in a few days, so make sure you stay subscribed for that. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.